Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by combining flour, sugar, salt, and yeast with cold milk and a bit of softened butter. This gives structure and flavor while keeping dough cool. Mix just until combined. Overworking warms it and weakens layers. Once the dough holds, knead briefly, shape into a disc, and chill for 30 to 60 minutes so gluten relaxes and the butter doesn't melt. Make sure your workspace is cool. Chilling now sets you up to laminate successfully and creates those flaky layers you want. You form a cold butter block and roll the dough into a rectangle, then enclose the butter so it's fully sealed. This is critical so butter stays intact during turns. Once enclosed, roll to a long rectangle and do the first single turn, fold like a letter, then chill. Repeat 2 more times, resting the dough 30 to 45 minutes in the fridge between turns to keep butter firm. These controlled turns create many visible layers. Keep everything cold to avoid blending butter into dough. You roll the laminated dough to thickness for croissant triangles, then tightly shape by stretching the base and rolling toward the tip to create tension. This gives lift and curl. Once shaped, proof at a warm 24 degrees to 26 degrees C until nearly doubled, about 2 to 3 hours depending on dough temperature. Brush with egg wash and bake at 200 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes until deep golden. If croissants collapse, a key tip: ensure butter stayed cold during laminating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.